All right. Year 13s, we wish you the best of luck for your future, but don't get too superstitious, right?
Year 13s, you're entering into a powerful moment in your lives. Those year 13 examinations, that's an initiation rite.
It is a good time, I think, for you to reflect once the exams are over. You will have 2 or 3 months to think about the kind of person that you want to be and the choices that you make.
Writings on the wall. A very superstitious. The ladder's about to fall. A 30-month-old baby.
Answer the question. Get to the point. Be elegant.
We are facing a difficult time, and it's going to be important that your generation thinks very carefully about the choices that you make.
When you're in that exam hall, you're showing us what you can do. You're showing yourself what you can do, and you'll have the whole energy of this group behind you.
As Amnesty International says, don't complain about the darkness, light the candle.
Talking about the year 9s who have been starting to attend philosophy for children courses.
Shine.
In year 10, students have been starting to develop their passion with the passion projects.
Be strong.
So for year 11, we are going to be starting to build mastery after the holidays.
Have no fear.
And then also a few year 11 students will take part in the pilot universal understanding assessment, where they're going to be answering one of the 4 universal questions, which, to remind you, are: what makes something beautiful? Can there be a world without conflict? What does it mean to be human? And what is an example of true happiness?
Aim high.
J'ai pas envie de grandir quand je vois le monde. Non, pas envie de vieillir, on est mieux chez les mômes. Ouais, à force de vieillir, on finit par être chiant. Alors je veux rajeunir. Bienvenue chez Peter Pan. Fais péter le popcorn, on va se péter le bide. De l'hiver à l'automne, moi je veux péter le rire. Car le monde est moche comme le brushing de Marine. Moche comme le métro de Paris. Faut que je range ma chambre et que je trie mes papiers. Car l'État veut que je paye mes impôts. Mon père est bien en vie, mais eux veulent mon pactole. Les ponts sont mon permis, je te les vends après l'école. Je n'aime pas l'économie, je n'aime que le PS. Car Tom et Jerry, c'est comme la droite et le PS. C'est la crise, ouais, chez moi y a plus de Haribo. Papa dit que c'est la faute à Sarko. That you don't understand, and then you superstition ain't the way.
When we meet at the graduation, and you're sitting there, your eyes will be shining with the fire and the pride of accomplishment. Because between now and those first exams in May, you know what you have to do. And you know what you shouldn't be doing. We are one. And we will be with you in that exam hall. You can do it.